What's up, guys? We're at the Trappist gift shop. It's actually a monastery, I guess, where the people sell candy as well, which is good. God loves candy. He taught us how to make it, so let's go get some. Keychains are always good. Magnets as well. These ladies are very excited to be here.
So how is it?
It's good. I want to try the food, but I need some pasalubong. Wonder how much the mangoes are. 50. 35? Okay.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
I wonder if this one is a little... There we go.
Cover. You can try the...
Let's see if I just put it on the top. Choose. Where's the big one? This?
Yeah, that one. Cowboy.
Gonna go this on top. Still too. My head's too big.
I like do this.
Howdy, partner. But it's only $2 for a hat.
Look at this, the
I want to get
price.
one, but I wish they had different.
$2. Face.
It's
Like
for
that one.
girls. So funny.
She's famous here in American Mass. So it's like Ilocos.
I think this hat fits though. What do you think?
No.
No?
No.
It looks. I feel like a
I
paper
need that
boy.
one. Another one. Other one. Right.
Newspaper boy.
This one? Or what? This?
Yeah. And then
It's like hey hey hey. Act like a
Live, laugh,
like
love, guys.
It's like welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
This is crazy.
Today we're gonna do some beauty tips.
I'm gonna put some makeup. Gonna put some makeup on.
Ooh.
What's
I love
that?
Lubid Lubid.
Oh,
It's like little shakoy, but this is mango flavored. Kota,
What's that?
opia,
Oh,
mango scotch. These are the butterscotches?
butterscotch. Yeah.
There's different mango scotch. Mango piaya.
Wine.
Ah,
Wonder how it tastes like.
cashew wine.
Yeah. Wonder how it tastes like. Right? Wine. Corn pops. Sugar sugar. Herbal tea.
Yeah,
Ginger.
about this.
Are they good?
Yeah, it's a famous one.
Mango otak.
Pinapatong ngayon sa ano, di ba? Sa
So I have this keychain.
Sugar that they use, it's a mascabade. It's a red one sugar.
Okay.
Here, it's a
We got so much. That's heavy. It's gonna be a lot to take on the plane. It's hot. There you go. Ah, I'm sweating. I just walked outside. Oh, it's a cashew? I'm allergic. Oh no!
Oh.
I'm gonna die.
Are you sure?
Yeah, choke.
Allergic ka?
No, I'm not allergic to anything. It's yummy.
Pwede nga, hindi lang kami mag-college.
There's 2 axes and a bat in case people get rowdy here. If you get out of hand, they're gonna get one of these and knock you in the head with it, I guess. Security is very important here. All right, to the beach. Is the island hopping they mean like over those little islands there?
Yeah. I don't know how much. I don't know how much it costs if you go to like island hopping.
I don't know, but apparently you can hire these guys to take you island hopping to the tiny little islands there.
Turtle Island over there.
Little turtle islands, yeah. They look pretty, but I don't know how much it costs. Probably a lot. Maybe I'll ask, I guess. We'll see. We'll get back. This water is ice cold. Some videos.
Like underwater.
It's like being in an ice boat.
Yeah.
I'll take my shirt off, I guess, if we're gonna be. I have like 15 minutes with my shirt off before I burn for sure. Do you swim?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take my shirt off and I'll be back. cold.
It's cold. So it's like 1, 2, 3, go. How was it?
So cold.
Yeah. Mr. Sun, come down. Oi, oi, oi. Chris, say Coca-Cola without touching your lips. Like 5 times. No? Just say it?
Coca-Cola.
5 times.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola, 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 Coca-Cola.
Say it normal.
Coca-Cola.
Say it normal. Without touching your lips. It's still not touching your lips. Ooh. Oh guys, come on. I'm drowning. This is a nice therapy.
You can take it underwater if you want.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and go. I thought we were going down there.
I don't know if you recorded underwater. I just started recording right now. Okay. I'm taking a video really quick. Hold on.
Okay.
It's really nice here. What area are we at? Alabihod Beach?
That one, Alabihod Golf.
Yeah. There's like a resort, but there's like 10 resorts around here. You can see there's like a resort there, resort there, resort there.
California.
Alabihod.
California Beach.
California Beach.
With Raymond.
Raymond Beach.
Alabihod.
And then there's more over there. There's one up on the cliff there. And then you can take the island hopping all these islands. And there's people selling like cashews and tahoe. In case you want to eat tahoe in the water, you can. I haven't asked how much anything is yet, just because we got in the water. Usually tahoe is 10 pesos, but I think here it's going to be 25. Yeah.
I think they went for fishing, that boat.
Oh, there's a fishing boat out there? You can see a lot of the boats here for, I don't know if you can see it on the video, boats for island hopping. There's a boat right there. So this water is cold. It's only 100 pesos to get in here. The cottage fee I think is 500. But if you just want to get in the water, it's $1.50. So not too bad. And it's a nice beach with not many rocks. So yeah, it's beautiful. I think Guimaras would be a really nice area if you just wanted to see the countryside, explore, go island hopping would be nice. But bring a lot of supplies because there's nothing on those little islands. So bring all your water, bring all your food, anything you're going to need. So if you want to go grilling there, you got to bring your charcoal and the grill and everything. So, but it's a fun day. We're going to go back in a little bit. I think it's going to rain here soon, and we'll continue the party. All right, we're out of the water now. I still have a giant xiao pao. You can see my hand. My hand's like 8 inches long. It's huge. So I'm going to eat this bad boy. And then we'll go, I don't know, change. And then we'll see where we're going there. Bye. What's up, guys? We stopped for a little sightseeing at this beautiful place. They say it looks like Siargao. does look nice. You can see the rain coming in. And there's a nice little walking path. All right, we're gonna get some pictures. We'll be back. Hey guys. Right, we're at a second viewpoint. Lots of wild mango trees out there. You can see the mountains in the distance. Very quiet, next to the highway. So many of these spots that we pass when you're just driving around the countryside.